Ato Chambit Soap carries over 40 years of herbal craftsmanship made in Korea. Unique properties utilizing over 100 types of herbal ingredients. We would like to introduce the 3 strong points of Ato Chambit Soap. Strong point 1. Each soap is infused with herbal extracts, seaweed, and chedisan for skin-friendly cleansing. Beyond simple cleansing, it delivers multifunctional benefits for skin, hair, and overall balance. From olive and pine needle oils to ginseng and aloe, nature defines our ingredients. Strong point 2. Over 40 years of research and manufacturing experience. Rooted in tradition, Ato Chambit Soap carries a distinctive heritage that reflects its original identity. One herbal soap delivers complete care for skin and scalp. Strong point 3. Manufacturing process based on premium ingredients. Herbal extracts provide antibacterial, antifungal, and calming effects for daily skincare. Free from synthetic surfactants, the soap gently cleanses while protecting sensitive skin. Handcrafted one by one, each bar reflects care, authenticity, and respect for your skin. Meet our signature lines, Ato Chambit Soap, Gamtae Soap, and Ginseng Baryon. Find Ato Chambit Soap online through Golden City Gyeongju and Naver Smart Store. Discover certified Korean quality, trusted, tested, and naturally beautiful. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us